What's going on, guys? Mark from M3 Finished Mobile Detailing, and today we're going to talk about gatekeeping. We're right here at 3D Montclair, filling up some water, so we figure out to knock out this video real quick.
Now, for people that don't know, Mark, what does gatekeeping mean?
When I first started off in detailing, I had a lot of questions to ask people. How to get fast, what kind of product to use, who to contact, where to go, how to get DI water, etc. I remember back then when I first started off, I'll follow these guys that were doing well. They had like 1,000, probably like 4,000 followers on Instagram. And I'll ask them, like, I seen this guy use this product and it was a degreaser. I was like, oh man, that looks really good. So I hit him up on the DM like, hey bro, how's it going? What kind of degreaser is that? The answer he gave me was just like, oh, a degreaser, it's a generic, whatever you pick, just go from there, man. Like, just any degreaser works for you. I really wanted to know what was his degreaser. So he never even told me. So I was like, damn. Another thing too, I used to ask people, hey, where do you get your water? Where do you get your products at, etc. People, oh, just look it up on Amazon, or oh, this and this and that, not knowing that there's also like stores like this, like 3D, other detailing stores as well. So that's what I mean by gatekeeping. A lot of people don't want to tell you certain tips or certain tricks into detailing. They want to keep all the secrets to themselves, and they think they're like Superman. They think they want to keep everything at once. And I don't think that's a good idea to be a gatekeeper or to just block people's blessings. I think you should always share your knowledge, help out the community. And a lot of people in the detailing industry, they just be bashing people, talking a lot of like stuff on certain details. Oh, I want to do this. Oh, he uses 3 buckets, he uses 4 buckets, he uses 1 bucket, etc. The detailing community should stick together, should help out people. Because I do see a lot of hating, man. There's a lot of people that don't want to give clients away. For instance, if I'm busy, I'll shoot a client to my buddy that's a detailer too, vice versa. We work off of each other, and it's always good to have a detailer in your back pocket. If I'm doing a paint correction, this paint correction is taking me about 7 to 9 hours to do. I can hit up my buddy, hey, do you think you can help me out? And then we'll get it going, knock it out together so I can hit my other appointment or book for another day. It's always good to have communication and also your network. That would be key into detailing. Just because, for instance, like if I run into a situation, hey, I need this, or hey, how do you do this? Hit up your buddy real quick. Oh yeah, you could do this, this and this and that. I feel like it would be better for detailing community.
Why do you think detailers gatekeep?
Like I said, man, people they don't want to help you. I think what it is one, they're scared that someone's going to be better than them. For me, that's what I think of it. It's like, oh, I get a lot of people on Instagram right now or in YouTube. Oh, how did you get exotic clients? How did you do this? You know, I tell them, hey man, you go to car meets or etc. You got to be transparent with people. For other people, I'm like, hey man, how did you get this? They're like, oh, just work hard. And it's a generic question. I think of it like a fortune cookie, like, boom. And then, you know, it's just like, all right, like he didn't really help me out as much.
Have you ever experienced a detailer hit you up for the wrong reasons?
So a lot of people do hit us up, like, you know, like other people in the industry, they want to like know the gossip and stuff like that. And for me personally, I don't really deal with the gossip part. You know, just we work hard and just get it going and go from there. But yeah, like I said, going with the bashing thing, for us, I feel like it will be better for us to grow in a sense.
Okay, what do you gotta tell detailers who think, I don't want to create my own competition?
If you look around right now, we're probably surrounded by like 1,000 cars right now in the area. And sure, there's a lot of detailers. There's enough money to go around, enough cars to go around. And so that's what I think of it. Right now, I'm creating YouTube content. A lot of people are like, oh, are you sure you want to create YouTube content? Are you sure? Because you're going to share your secrets. At the end of the day, it is what it is. You know, what you have planned for, or God has planned for you, man, just go for it. And yeah, man, that's all you can do. Just educate people and help grow. Like for instance, I wouldn't know certain things if I didn't ask certain peers or certain people I look up to. Some of them don't tell you some secrets, or some of them do. So it just depends on the person. But it's always good to have those people around. I took a training with this guy. I spent $500 and basically I really didn't learn anything. So another thing too is when you do learn from people, like if you do take a training course, I guess say do more homework in a sense. Like for me, I took Shine Supply training as well. That was like one of the good trainings I ever did. A lot of knowledge, a lot of product knowledge, etc. But yeah, man, that's another tip in there as well. Whoever you do learn from, make sure you just do a lot of homework on that.
You're actually experiencing some gatekeeping because you're trying to learn window tinting.
Yeah.
You went to somebody,
Yeah.
and what did they tell you, man?
So yeah, I asked this guy about window tinting, if he could help me, and basically he told me, man, like, I can't help you. If you learn, blah, 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 we're gonna have some issues. And for me, I think that's kind of corny because, like I said, I feel like we grow and help each other out. But I mean, it is what it is. You can always take other trainings, you know, like from the brands that support the material. So what we're gonna do is gonna go take a training course and go from there. But a lot of people do not want to help you. They either one, they want to charge you for the time, which is understandable, or two, they just fear if you're going to be a competition, and it is what it is. So that's the part about business, man. Like, I guess people think, oh man, this guy's going to be better than me, or oh, I don't want this guy around me. I look at it as a perspective of Kanye West. Kanye West kind of helped out Travis Scott, kind of helped out Drake, so without those people, without the Kanye, they wouldn't be those kind of guys. So I look at it as like that. Help out your people. Maybe you're a Kanye, maybe you're a Drake, who knows? But help out people and you get further in life. All right, guys, so today we're wrapping up the video, and that's what I think about gatekeeping. Drop it down below. What do you think about it? Have you guys ever experienced it? We always learn from each other. And make sure to like and subscribe, support the channel, and keep growing, man. I appreciate it. Let's get it.